motion picture shit.
You guys got fat while everybody starved on the street. It's my turn.
Tryna ride the wave, you should be afraid that you might drown in it. I be feeling like the king of my city.
Ya mi tiempo llegó, le doy gracias a Dios. Siempre tuve la fe.
Hey, if you guys excited for this video, make sure you like and subscribe to your boy. Something different. We over here in Hell's Kitchen. We're about to make a movie. We're about to make y'all hungry in the kitchen. Yo, I need a chef hat, bro. I need a chef hat. I don't got no chef hat. I need a chef hat, bro. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Wow, you about to go crazy. You about to go crazy. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on. Oh, nah, your boy about to chef it up in the kitchen. Chef Curry with the pot. Hey, Chef Curry with the pot, boy. Yeah. Before I get started, I want to give a shout out to the person that did not teach me how to cook. Shout out to you, mommy. What the f? Yeah, I mean, you did not show me how to cook. I learned on my own. Hey, I learned on my own, boys. Hey, yo, man, it's a fact. I learned on my own. Shout out to YouTube for teaching me. And for those who want to learn how to cook, you're welcome. I mean, cause and hunger, boy, you already know. Let's get it, your boys outside. We're about to make a movie inside regardless, so you already know, man. Something different. I hope you guys enjoy, man. Make sure you strap. Got that timer, boy. You already know. Hey, got the sweet potatoes in there for like an hour, bro, because, you know, they take long to make. But yeah, man. We got the adobo, you know. Bow. Got the adobo. Got the, hold on. Like I said, got the sazon, Sheesh. Hold on. We got here, boy. Oh, I got the oil, boy. I need the oil. You already know. Yo, son. Yo, y'all in the fridge too? That's crazy. Hold on. We got the, yeah. All right, we got this. I already seasoned the shit, so, well, yeah, boy, what I came to get. Boy, I'm over here trying to film and trying to, the butter, boy. Come on, stop playing with me, yo. Hold on. Butter, I got the butter. It's not enough, bro. It's not enough. You don't got it. We got more. Facts, we got more. We make movies here, man. We modded over here. Hold on. So, for y'all probably wondering, yo, Rock, what you making in Hell's Kitchen? Well, in Hell's Kitchen today, we're about to make a sweet potatoes. Hold on. What we got? With some veggies on deck, some avocado, and we're about to make a creamy garlic chicken. Like, it's about to be different. It's about to hit like busting. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. You know what this is, right?
Chichi, get the game.
And but chill, it's flour, yo. Chill with the vibes, man. Chill. Oh, hold on. I gotta get the cheese, boys. Hold on. Oh yeah. Oh, get it. Hey. Yo, leave it in the comments if y'all like to cook, bro. Please. I wanna hear it. Let's get this pan real quick. Alright, let's go. Put that butter in there. You see it? Let it melt. Ah, it's a vibe, boys. You know those vibes. Hold on, vibe. Alright, melt, boy. Hey, yo. Gordon Ramsay, who? Like,
Hey, come here.
Like, come on, you crazy? Alright, we're about to get this chicken real quick. Let me get a nice plate. You know? Wow. Lit. Yo, everything's seasoned, y'all. So you feel me? This is seasoned already. Put it in here. Hold on. Oh yeah. Eat like 5 of these shits. Oh my god. Hold on, I'm making a mess. That's why you close the drawer. Close the goddamn drawer before you start making anything, because everything gonna fall in. Now I'm gonna put this in there. Yeah. Look at that, y'all. A vibe of what? You can put the chicken you're not gonna use away. Pow. You see that? Chicken, right? Got the butter. Ooh, looking spiffy. Yes, sir. This is not healthy, y'all. If y'all trying to lose some weight, this is not the vibe.
I don't want that greasy shit. How you gonna sell a big box of grease?
chili out what?
This is not healthy. But yeah, man. Let's get this chicken in here, boys. Hold on. So, hey, I would have had some bachata on, man. Coño, por una musiquita. But I get copyrighted by YouTube. In Hell's Kitchen, bro, I put music. You know what I'm saying? And if y'all want to see more episodes of Hell's Kitchen, man, you let me know. Oh, yeah. Okay, next. Where you at? Got that one in there. Oh, yes, sir. Coño, Dios mío. Pero espérate, hay más. Una más. Ay, Dios mío, mira esta vaina. Yo. Alright. Yo, look at this. I'm a Tasmanian devil, like my girl says in the kitchen, but you see them Chinese food places? They be going crazy. Alright, so I bought you gonna need this. It's chicken broth. You already know the vibes. Where you at? I just bought you. Oh, right here. I need a heavy creamer. Yo, and make sure also it's on medium heat, bro. Facts, medium heat. Y'all saw it. Check it out. Oh no, hell no, I gotta put more time. Damn, time flew. Put another 30 minutes. Alright, 45 minutes, that does it. Let me see. Come on, date rápido que yo tengo una hambre. You know, that's my, yo, look at the mods, bro. Look at the mods.
Stupid.
They're not.
Los aguacates ni tan ready. Dios mío, mira, verde todito. Y yo le mané un aguacatico, ay, para comerme, Dios mío, mira. Gotta get that water ready. Get those veggies ready, y'all, hold on. Got the water, so I like to steam it. On 6, alright, Gucci. Oh, that would have been bad. That would have been a bad vibe, bro. Oh, the oil almost broke. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna let this boil up real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how the process in Hell's Kitchen. The progress so far, y'all. See that? Oh my god. Yeah, you see that though? It's different, right? I know. Potatoes are still going hot in there. You already know. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this and I'm gonna leave it because something different, man. You know, a little vibe, a little kitchen vibe. You know, in Hell's Kitchen, I'm about to go crazy. This is how we do it in New York City. When we not outside, we inside. We cooking and we chefing it up. Steph Curry with the pot. You know, gotta cut them onions real quick. Got the onions on deck. About to chop it up. Hold on. Ooh. Ooh, your boy got it. Your boy got it. Hold on. You have to remove the chicken out of here. Come here, boys. Alright, come here. Ooh, look at that, y'all. If they're not looking like that, you're doing it wrong, kid. If it's not looking like that, lo están haciendo mal. Come on the plate. See it? Alright. Alright, so now I gotta put some oil. Yes, I know it's not healthy. I know. So now we take the onions, throw them in there. Oh, crispy, clean. Sir. Yes, sir. Oh my god. Put the fire down a little bit. Alright, see the onions in there. A little garlic in there. Yes, sir. One more. I like it extra garlicky. put whatever you want. You already know the vibe. You see that? Oh. Get crazy with it. Get crazy with it. Boom, bukla. Take the chicken broth, put some chicken broth in there. Just like that. Put some heavy cream in there. Oh, hold on, it's closed. We gotta put some pepper in there. We gotta put some pepper in there.
Yo, you're dead like cat.
You know the vibe, boys. Oh my God. Let me see. Yo, this is hitting. This is hitting, y'all. Seriously. It's not healthy, but it's banging. And just hit it with some Parmesan, boys. Put that fire there. Hit it with some Parmesan, boys. Alright, you get this, throw that back in here. You throw that back in there slowly. Throw it back in there. Look at that, y'all. Ay, Dios mío. I know you're about to go get a snack after this one. Hold on. Gotta put more cheese on that. Oh my Lord. Alright. Take some parsley. Take some parsley, boy. Throw that on there. You know the vibes. Yes, sir. Look at that. It's hot, but your boy working. You see that? Last but not least, some red peppers. Gotta get spicy. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Look at this mess I got, boys. Look at this mess. It's alright. Boy cooking. Boy cooking. Boy in the kitchen. Taste that. Wow. This ain't. I'm not even lying, bro. I'm not. Look. Oh my God, I could drink this whole thing. Yo, I swear to everything in this world, bro. That's different.
Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama. Don't it, Willie? Yeah, boy. Hey, mama.
What the hell you want?
That's different. Wow. Ooh, look at the sweet. Oh my God. Hold on, it's ready, boys. Look at the caramel, y'all. Look at that. Look at the caramel, boy. Cut it in the middle. Split that open. Oh my God, look at that. Split this one. Looking sexy. Put some salt or butter. Whatever you want, you put it in there, man. I'll probably put a little butter, a little melted butter, you know. Not healthy, but it's banging.
It's so yummy.
Nah, stop playing with me.
It smells so good.
You serious? Yo, she's smelling the vibe, bro. What's up? She's home. Hey, you need to do a taste test for them real quick for me.
I look crazy.
Alright, but
you got the apron on.
your boy cooking. Look, taste the sauce.
God, what a mess.
Nah, you good. Taste the sauce real quick. Here, hurry up.
Chicken?
Yeah. Chicken, boy. But don't taste the chicken. Just taste the sauce, and then because this is your chicken, I don't want you to take my chicken. Taste that.
Oh, that's banging.
Oh, y'all stop playing with me. Yo, your boy got it. Stop playing with me. I just made that, dude.
You know what it tastes like? Like when you make shrimp scampi?
Bro, I did it. Garlic chicken, creamy. Yes, look, she's digging for more. Look. Yes. You feel me?
Wow, baby, that's banging.
You licking the spoon?
with making decisions. And I think that says it all right there.
Wow.
You dead ass licking the spoon?
And I'm starving.
Set up your plate real quick. I'm gonna give you sauce.
Okay.
Sauce real quick. You see? Ooh, drippy. That's good with sauce because I want all that sauce.
That looks so good.
Bro,
that is good.
That is good. All right, hold on. We already brain made
Ooh, sweet potatoes.
Yes, sir. Pick one. Which one you want? Hurry up.
I'll just have one, so let me get that one.
All right, say that. One right here. Come here. Yes, sir.
He always sets my plate up nice.
See that? You see that? Hold on. Exactly. It's not for the video. And got the veggies.
Mmm.
Got the veggies. Tell me when.
That's good right there.
Oh my lord.
Okay.
How that looking, baby?
That looks nice. I messed it up because I bit the chicken.
It's alright.
It's
Hey,
so good.
I told
Thank
ya.
you, baby.
You already know. Your boy got it. You're about to eat, man. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this, but I made it dope. I made it like I was in the camera in the freaking nevera. But no, but ya tú sabes, yo soy un cocinero, maní. El aguacate no está ready, like I told ya, man. But man, if y'all guys want to see another chef rocking Hell's Kitchen, you know the vibes, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, and show love, cause I know you're tired, right?
I'm exhausted.
And we trying to eat. I know you starving, right?
Yes.
Chew. Already know the vibe. Until next time, we outside. We make movies in here, right? And we make good meals.
Yes.
Cause I told him it's not all my cause. I want to have my channel to be. She's trying to eat. She's trying to eat. Nah. Till next time. Let's get it.